Hello, welcome back to the garden. So today is a good day because my eBay delivery has come. So I've actually gone ahead and bought some Trachycarpus palms. And if any of you guys know me, you know I'm in for a bargain and I'm very patient. Not sure how patient I need to be for these, but I'm going to give you an honest review. So what I'm going to go and do is get them in some water for an hour or so, sort of rehydrate them. And then I'm going to pot them up a little bit later on. So I'll put the link down below. I'll give you my honest thoughts. So yeah, let's get into the video. So straight out the bag, and they're actually really wet, so that's really good. Still going to drop these in here for a good hour or so. But yeah, really well hydrated. So apologies for the lighting, because it's been more than an hour, as you can probably tell. But with work and kids and dogs and all that good stuff, things never really plan out. So here they are. So this is my Trachycarpus seedlings. Okay, so they've been in probably about 4 hours now, something like that. I mean, they were nice and hydrated in the first place, but I've obviously made sure that they get onto a good start. So as you can see, these have been dug out of soil or compost previously, so it shouldn't be too much of a shock from going from this into compost. Now I am just going to use just a multi-purpose compost with a little bit of added sand for free draining. So nothing fancy. We're in like October now, so they're not going to do anything, and the nutrients aren't going to add up to much throughout these periods, because the roots aren't really going to get that much stimulation throughout the winter. However, I'm going to get them potted up, show what they look like, and yeah, go from there. So what I am going to do now is going to go ahead and water these. So I'll water them with a rose over the top. So I'm going to go outside and do that in the pitch black, and then I'm going to put them in this sort of mini greenhouse here. So let me go ahead and do that. Just quickly, for anyone who doesn't know what a rose is, this is a rose. They're dead cheap. They're only a couple of quid. And this is just in case you do anything delicate like I've just done there, so you don't want to be washing all the soil out. You water it from a height, distributes the water out, and yeah, stops the mess really. So it's a really good investment for the garden. There we have them then. So they're on two layers. layers. So I think there's 20 in total. So you see the potted one's just up there, and then I've gone ahead and put some in trays down there as well, just to see if they make any difference at all, really being a smaller or bigger pot. So what I'll do with these, because I've watered them now and brought them in, is I'll leave the cover off. Okay, so I'll just leave that as it is, let them dry out, let sort of a little bit of breeze get between them, so I don't encourage any bad stuff, any fungi or disease or anything like that. Let them dry out, then I'll put the cover down, let them create its own atmosphere within here, and then these can crack on again. Brugmansias I took only at the weekend, they're looking pretty good. And then my waggy palms, I'm quite excited about those as well, which I've just shown you. So yeah, so I'm pretty pleased about these, because this is something that I've actually thought about doing for like 2 or 3 years now. Keep looking at them and don't buy them. With everything else that I'm buying in the garden small, and it's turning out to be like a really good investment for my garden. I just sort of thought, let's go ahead, let's do it. I think this cost me $9.99. I'll put the link down below for eBay, but I'm super happy with the quality of it. I know they're tiny, but I'm really happy with the results. I don't know about you guys, but for me it's all about the opportunity to get in the garden. So I think it's currently 9:45 at night, family's in bed asleep, and I'm out here doing this. Just because obviously the palms have come today, and I didn't expect them to come today, but I'm over the moon with it. So I'm a proper opportunist gardener. You have to let me know down below if you guys are as well. Do you sneak off for a quick half an hour or whatever and do the jobs that you need to get done? Because I always seem to do that, and I was getting called back into the house for one reason or another. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you found something from it. The only thing I will say is be patient. All my plants I've got now, I've been really patient with, and they're all doing fantastic, and that's what spurred me on to do these small plants, make these small cuttings and things like that. So I've got a lot of things coming on the channel, a lot of propagation stuff. So I've got some hydrangeas to do, some Weigela cuttings, some Ceanothus, some Buddleia. I've already got my Clematis one on there that people seem to be enjoying. Brugmansia is already on my Brugmansia care, but I'm willing to do another one if anybody wants to see it. So yeah, so until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the garden.